Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris from Oz Canopies of 4x4. What have we got today? We've got a GWM Canon HEV hybrid, but not plug-in hybrid. With the split tailgate, the guy who went for the top level, top option. Actually, I think the plug-in hybrid is one step above this, but that is a aside. What do we get? What do we have happening on this ute today? One second, I've got to move the gum in my mouth so I can speak properly. I'm an unprofessional idiot this morning. Anyway, so we've got steel canopy going on, right? And we've got a tow bar going on. We've got plenty of steel canopy videos on the GWM Canon. Today we're going to focus on how to get the tow bar fitted on one of these bad boys. Once again, if you want to grab anything for your GWM Canon Alpha or anything else for one of the utes that are rolling around today, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed that very straightforward fitting video for this GWM Canon Alpha. You can see our partners at BTA have made a very straightforward bar to fit. What do you got? You got obviously your 50mm removable hitch. These ones are rated to 3.5 ton, tested over 3.5 ton, Australian made, out in Melbourne. So if you are helping us support Australian manufacturing, definitely give us a call to get a tow bar fitted on your ute. We've got tow bars available for basically all the makes and models out there, and some of them are a little bit more difficult to install than the Canon, right? But you know, we've got the expertise here to make sure that your tow bar and your wiring gets fitted correctly. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitment videos in the pipeline, and we will see you on the next one.